Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to set default value for time field in Salesforce, and we are going to discuss this topic in both the edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So let's move to our org. This is my Salesforce Lightning org, and here we are learn how to set the default value for time field in Salesforce Lightning. So firstly, click on the gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on that, and under this gear icon, there are two options. First one is setup and the another one is service setup. Click on the setup option. After clicking on the setup option, our setup page is open, and under this page we can see that two tabs are present. First one is home tab and the another one is object manager tab. Click on the object manager tab. Our object manager page is open. Here we can see that lots of objects are present and we want to select one of the object from all these objects. So we enter the shift object in the quick find box, and our shift comes at the top. Click on the shift object. Our shift object page is open, and under this page we can see that the detail related to the shift object, and on the left side there is a detail section, and under this section there is a field and relationship option. Click on this option. Our field and relationship page is open, and under this page we can see that lots of fields are already created, and here we want to select the shift time field. So click on this field. Our shift time page is open, and here we can see that the detail related to the shift time, and we want to edit this page. So click on this edit button, and our shift custom field shift time is comes into the edit mode. And now we scroll to the bottom of the page, and here we can see that there is a general option section, and under this section there is a default value, and here we can set the default value. So enter the default value in this default value field, and here we are entering the default value as time value 9 o'clock, and then click on the save button, and we come back to our shift time custom field page and scroll to the bottom of the page, and we can see that under the general option the default value is set. Now click on the app launcher, and under this app launcher there is a search bar. Click on the sales option. Now click on the app launcher and search the sales in the search box, and click on the sales option. Our sales page is open, and under the sales page we can see that lots of objects are present on the name bar, and we want to select the shift object. So click on the more option and search the shift object, and click on the shift object, and our shift record page is open now. And now we want to create a new record, so click on the new button, and our new shift dialog box is open. Now enter the shift name as a employee shift and select the shift time, and here we are selecting the shift time as a 9 a.m. and select the shift time as a 9 a.m. and click on the save button, and we can see that our shift employee shift record is created, and we can see that shift time is shown under the detail page as a 9 a.m. Now move ahead, and we want to set the default value for the time field in a Salesforce Classic. So for moving to our Salesforce Classic version, click on the profile picture, and under this profile picture there is an option switch to Salesforce Classic, and our Salesforce Classic version is open, and under this version we can see that there is a username present. Click on the drop down arrow of the username, and here we can see that there is a setup option. Click on this option. Our setup page is open. Now enter the object in the quick find box and click on the customize drop down arrow, and then select the object option. Our custom object page is open, and under this object we can see that there is a project option. Now click on the project custom object, and our custom object project page is open. Now scroll to the bottom of the page, and here we can see that there is a custom fields and relationship section, and under this section we can see that lots of fields are already created, and we want to select the project task start time field. So click on the edit button. So our project task start time page is open. Now scroll to the bottom of the page, and here we can see that there is a general option section, and here we want to set the default value inside the default value field. So enter the default value, and here we are entering the default value as time value open bracket 10 a.m. and click on the save button, and here we come back to our custom object project page. Now scroll to the bottom of the page, and we can see that under the custom fields and relationship section there is a project task start time. Again click on this object, and our project task start time field page is open, and under this page we can see that under the detail option section the default value is set. So with this we have learned how to set the default value for the time field in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.